let's start with a quick introduction. Maybe one by one, you all can introduce yourself. Okay.
Yeah. My name is Ramesh. I am an Indian national and I am working in ADNOC onshore as an instrumentation engineer, Abu
Okay.
Dhabi National Oil Company. Yeah.
Amazing.
And my wife, Nitya Ramesh.
My name is Nitya Ramesh.
Mhm.
I am a housewife only.
Okay.
I am also Indian only.
My name is Subhish Ramesh. I'm an Indian national as well, and I'm a student.
Perfect. So maybe I would need the opinion of both of you. Maybe first you can let me know, Subhish, why you wanted to, apply to TU Delft. Can you tell me a little bit about TU Delft? What was something very amusing about the university that you decided that you should, go to this university?
Yes, number one, first thing I did was when I saw the university in my school university listings, it actually topped the QS World Rankings in terms of aerospace engineering. And my passion lies in aerospace engineering. So I thought, why not pursue a career in aerospace engineering at a premium university, which was TU Delft in the Netherlands.
Because no, Subish had his passion in aerospace. He's very good in maths and physics. So we have he preferred to choose engineering only. So we thought, what is the next step to move on? Germany and Netherlands is the best choice. We thought, other than UK. Then in Netherlands, TU Delft is the world ranking list. It is more. For that's why we thought, okay, according to his preference, aerospace engineering, which university is best? In that case, we have seen that the TU Delft is in the QS ranking, world ranking, it is top.
Maybe adding to my previous question, I would also want you all to put in some light as to why Netherlands specifically. Ma'am, you mentioned that you had eventually shortlisted between Netherlands and Germany. So what made you shortlist into Netherlands, leaving off Germany?
What happened? My elder son is also studying. He is also want to go to Europe only. So the payment we need to check that one. UK is not in our list. So other than that, we have chosen a fees because according to the fees, Germany and Netherlands is okay for us. Other university means Netherlands is other option, better option, and the language also English. Most of the place they are speaking English, and the fees wise everything is okay. Netherlands.
It's affordable for.
So
Yeah.
yes, this is very nice, ma'am. Thank you for the pointers. It's extremely helpful. I'm very sure that future parents, when they're going to be looking into the video, it will be helpful to make a decision, why they should choose Netherlands. Could you just help me with maybe each one of you all can provide your inputs as to some tips and suggestions for future parents?
As a parent, we should move with our children very friendly, and we should always give some time for them. Even though we know that we are very busy with our day-to-day schedule, but in spite of this, as my wife said, we should sacrifice some of our time for the children, especially for the children. We should sit with them, to move with them in a friendly way, and what desire they have, what likes and dislikes, we should understand.
The first thing I would say is relax. If you do not get into your chosen university, it's not the end of the world. There are always other options. And the first thing I would also like to say is that try to enjoy the process more. Like if you do not like revising, try to make it into a hobby by learning stuff around it. Like education doesn't stop with textbooks. It goes beyond that. Meaning you can read books, you can read articles, etc. Stuff like that. Try to do something that interests you at all time. And I don't mean to say that always keep studying in a day, but because that will eventually lead into a burnout. So always take breaks, eat good food, healthy food like fruits and vegetables, and try exercising all the time.
Exercise, mainly
Yes.
exercise.
Personally, me, I prefer doing skipping.
Very nice. I think these are very thoughtful pointers, which is very realistic because I think every student will connect to whatever you said. It's they are experiencing the same thing at home. But I think very, very nice tips. Thank you very much for this, Pam and Subhish. Last
Thank you.
but not the least, I'm going to just I just would like you to wrap up by letting us know how was your overall experience with us. And is there any pleasant moment you would like to highlight? Then please do let us know.
All in all, I would say that Jan really did a great job in applying for the universities and keeping profiles of students very organized. In fact, props to Gyanberry for always replying to student emails as soon as possible, as this was the case in mine. Whenever I would send an email to Ms. Sukanya, she would always reply to me in like 2-3 hours, which made things a lot easier for me.
Yeah, for us, for my son, elder one also, we had good experience with them. That's why we tried for him.
In fact, my mother was all over the moon when she found out that Gyanberry deals with TU Delft University, which made her very excited and gleeful. She was very
Yeah,
happy about it.
yeah, because we can give all our responsibility to you, and we can be very calm and quiet. That is the one thing I was very happy when you are dealing with TU Delft also.
We would like to thank Gyanberry and Gyanberry team for your advice and support for our elder son and younger son.